Tiffany sent us an email with an interesting question. She says every time she walks into her mother's room, and Brad, you're going to identify, a lot of our folks are going to identify with this. Every time she walks into her mother's home, it smells musty. So she's wondering what could the problem be and how does she fix it? So I've got several possibilities. I'll name it, you answer it, and then maybe you've got some to add.
Okay.
Okay, it sounds good.
Yep.
All right. Possibly the carpets need to be cleaned
Yes.
because there's a musty smell in the carpets, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. They'll hold a lot of moisture, a lot of dirt, and the old backings can definitely give off a smell.
The ventilation is inadequate.
That was going to be my likely point on this is
Yeah.
that it probably needs an HVAC service. Maybe they haven't replaced a filter. There's not a lot of airflow, a lot of air exchanges that are taking place. Yep.
So that's another one.
Hmm.
Then also there's a leak somewhere, and maybe it's gas,
Yeah.
something else like that.
Well, I don't think it's gas. I think that if there's a leak, it's probably water that is causing that musty smell as it's getting into contents potentially in the house,
Yeah.
or if it's getting into other surfaces like sheetrock, drywall. It could also do that. Even wet insulation will give off that kind of a smell.
Finally, mold growing somewhere in the house. That could be another problem, right?
Right, and it goes back to the water. Any of the water anywhere is going to, create a likelihood for mold. So we were in a church parsonage here a few weeks ago, and they have a vent fan in their bathroom that is not working very well. And so the core of the house was staying very, very humid. And
Uh-huh.
so there was, you've got the likelihood of a smell coming because you have high humidity levels because you're not drawing the moisture out, the steam out when you're using the like a shower or a bathtub.
Is there anything else that we missed that you would recommend?
No, the only other thing is sometimes, and I don't know any of the situations, but sometimes contents, old blankets, textiles, those are things that will pick up those smells. They will be brought to wherever you bring them, and the smells will stay with them. Sometimes just laundering, much like cleaning carpet, that could take care of a lot of the problems. But old recliners, old textile, fabric upholstered covered chairs, couches, those things will also pick up odors like that.
Yeah. So anybody who I've had it happen where I walk in to show a home or to list a home and I can smell some musty odors. But we've hit,
Yep.
I think, a lot of good items there for folks to think about. So this week we talked about what not to fix when selling your home. Next week we're going to talk about the most important things to repair before selling your house. You see the symmetry in all this. We're out of time. Our thanks to our dear friends Cora Henderson over at Pitt and Frank Attorneys LLC. You can reach Cora and the folks because you can choose the closing attorney that you'd want to use, and they do a fabulous job getting you closed. You can reach Cora and her friends over there at 895-9900. Also, continuing with us, our buddy Brad Lawler, who's owner of Home Team Inspection Service. They come in like a team, and they are a great group of people to use to come in and inspect your home, or with Team Bug Out to get rid of any of the pests that you might have walking around or running around. You can reach Brad on either case for 844-411-TEAM. And if you are thinking of selling your home now or in the near future, feel free, give me a call. It's a free, no obligation analysis. I'll come out. We'll talk. What is the path to getting your home sold? What is it worth? We'll find out in detail. I'll bring my laptop and we'll actually do a competitive market analysis there for you right in front of you so you can see what's going on. And if you're looking to buy a home, we've got buyer agents standing by ready to go as well. You can reach me at 376-5483 or go to bobsellslouisville.com. We're out of time. See you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHAS.